All right, so I figured I'd go ahead and open everything up completely so I can see what we got going on here before I did the install video. Because I'm no mechanic. Just kidding, I'm not a mechanic. Just kidding, no, I'm not. But I can say I've never bought an exhaust for a motorcycle or dirt bike that I've owned. All I know is that's gonna look good. That's all I'm saying. You don't gotta be a mechanic to know that. Let's get this out of the packaging. Ooh. There's a whole. These things look good, boy. Look at that. Probably is. Sounds about right. Let's see. So, my mechanical intuition tells me that this goes in here, like that. It's like an insert. Yeah, probably like that right there. Gives it a little more flair. Oh. Yeah, that just slides in. Okay. Come on. Maybe I should look at the directions. No. Who looks at directions? Some hardware here. Bunch of cool stickers. Gonna put those on the truck. Don't know what that really means. Probably means something like cuss word or something. Picture of my dirt bike right there. Hangs on the wall. It can't be that simple. Or can it? These just... Alright, I'm gonna look at the directions. I'll be right back.